Hi guys, today we're playing an obby but you cannot jump.
And I'm Justin.
Why are you so ugly?
And
Let's go. Oh, I forgot I can even jump. I'm just going to keep my character like this. Bro, it's so hard. Bro, wait for me. Jen, wait for me. Okay, I'm going to end the video. Okay, let's go.
This obby is
Why your avatar look like that?
the obby is not too long.
Is it long?
No,
Bro, it's not even that.
it's long.
Is it even long? Ayo.
We need
Pause.
to make it the end.
Maybe we can. Maybe we have to like
Red,
make a part 2.
next green,
Red.
yellow,
No, not yellow, not yellow.
red,
Red.
next green,
Wait.
and red.
No, it's red, yellow.
You're right. Wait for me.
Okay, come.
Get this part off. It's amazing.
Good. Let's go.
Oh, I want to jump right now.
Same. Bro, I keep clicking the jump button, but I can't even jump.
I like the jump so much. I use. Huh? Oh, I know. It's not.
Bro,
I
I almost
think
died.
green, purple, next green. Yeah.
Bro, how you know? I played this game before. Wait for me, I know.
Red.
No. You idiot. Not orange. Green.
Clicking the jump.
Bro, I want to click the jump. But look what happens if I click. Plus robot. Bro, why is there a clone of you?
Maybe
Bro, wait for me. Wait for me. Wait, next let's play like
follow the yellow things. The yellow one.
what was the game, like the grandma?
The hitting one?
Yes, destroy grandma?
Okay,
Same.
okay, that way. Oh my god, this special jump is right here. Yes, we can jump right here.
Yay! Huh?
My
So what
dream come
happened?
true.
What happened? Wee!
You keep jumping.
Bro, wait for me! Bro, wait for me!
I'm waiting.
You're not even waiting! Waiting for...
Oh, yes. Oh my god. You look so
Bro, why you want to eat Oreos? You need to go to a diet.
good. Oh, you so good.
You monkey. We need to post more videos. We don't even post videos that much, right?
Yes.
Bro, momo's dying.
Oh, I don't. Oh, I wish I could jump right here because there's a strip light.
If you don't wait for me, I'm ending the video.
I'm waiting.
You're not even waiting. I'm ending the video
I'm
right now.
dying.
Hello guys, today
I died. Wait.
I'm
I'm not dying.
I'm going to end the video. So, bye.
Well, I'm dead.
And where are you?
I'm right here.
Where?
Wait for me. I can show you where I am.
Bro, what's happening to my phone? Why can't I? Okay.
Hi.
How did you die? How? How?
Wait for me.
Hello. You have hands. Why you don't do it?
Please.
Hell no. Hell no.
You can get a different avatar.
Hell no. Wait, we're almost. Yes. We're
Maybe
almost.
we can make it the end.
We're almost. Maybe.
Wait for me. Please. I keep dying.
You're so noob. I'm waiting you at the top.
Wait for me. How did you do that?
Then go faster. Faster. Now, bye.
I think blue. Red, blue. Blue, red, green.
Blue, red,
Green.
green.
You do it.
Okay, I'm doing it. Blue, red, green, blue. Ew, this looks like your teeth. Why are you laughing? It's true. Wow. 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 I'm going to snitch on you, on mom.
What?
What you think? Huh? You think
Mama,
I'm not going
water
to
can
snitch?
kill me.
Drowning. Idiot. Baby shark. Baby shark.
But you cannot see what
Bro,
you're
I wanna
hiding.
play the grandma.
Wait, we can spin?
I wanna play the grandma.
You're
I
afraid
wanna
of
play the grandma.
we cannot read
I wanna
grandmas.
play with the grandma. I wanna play the grandma.
We almost. Yes, we almost. Yay. We got to
Bro, it's been 9 minutes, bro.
actually 30 minutes.
Wow.
We cannot even die. Loca. Hi. What is your name?
Cringe. Cringy, McDiddly.
Hi. What is your name? My name is Bole.
Who the hell is Bole?
I don't know.
Then why did you say Bole?
Why you trying to follow me?
Then why am I first? Why are you trying to follow me? Cringe stalker. Cringe stalker. Hey, girl. What? What's your number? My number? Wrong. Hey, girl. What? What is your name? My name? Yes. Poopy.
Who make it the end?
What's your number? My
Who
number?
make it the end? Eat the
6,
boogers.
7. Wait. Stop. 6, 7?
No.
6, 7.
I
7.
You need to
6, 7. 6, 7.
6, 7. We've been 4 minutes? What is your name? My name's Damn.
Bro, I see a eagle following you. Bro, is she following you?
Stay back. 5+ speed.
I'm going the 100. Bro, what the... Wait, what happened if I respawn? Bro, I want my normal skin back. I want my normal skin back. Please.
Take off. Only respawn. No, I see.
Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Bro, how do I remove more? Oh, yes. Yes, finally.
Hi. What is your name?
Cheng, where are you?
Remove.
Come, follow me.
Over.
Huh? Bro, I wanted to show you something. Look at my screen. Okay, guys. See you in another video.
No.